guess I'll come back to it. I'll just leave it. So I cloned a bunch of apps. I'll show you what I cloned. This is a $100 4 camera A21 minimum running McAfee security. I have a screenshot bubble and I'm live streaming with DU 1.7.9.2. So this is just everyday Android, everyday Android, everyday Android. This is everyday Android stuff that I would be doing whether I was recording or not. This is just transparent view is what the day entires. A lot of repetition. I can't stress that enough. that's what I have partial. And of course, they come charge you if you want to do a rolling screenshot. I will pay for something that's premium quality if it's qualified to be qualified. Anyways, I'm just messing around. Partial screenshots. I'm just going to take a little section. Let's go to the app. This is why I'm about to uninstall this. I've been using it for just a few months. It's the only one that I can find that will do a partial screen crop. I mean, Screen Scissors does it, but I don't. I'm sick of that green and orange icon. I can switch the icon. I just I don't know if I'll go into Super Clone today, but right now I'm trying to find my screen crop and share, which is this app that we were just at. This one right here. I don't know, I'll just move it over because this is an app that I use all the time. But not on this page. The only thing that's on this page that you see right now are apps that I created. So I'm going to put it on page that are apps that I didn't create, but that I use. So there you go. Okay, it needs to be turned on. Sometimes you have to like turn it off and on again to like activate it or something. Okay, so I don't see the bubble. It caught wind. It caught wind. Oh, God. I got Nemo and Mixer. I'm on Nemo and Mixer, but I forgot how to do that. I don't... It's because I lost the passwords for my account, and I've been hacked so many times. You guys... I got a lot to take care of. So there's the sticker. Yeah, that's what we were doing. We were sharing a sticker on Discord. And it worked. Let's try another one. Sticker. So this page, like I'll go through each one of these apps. So we just happened to start with this one. So what I'll do is I'll just put that up over there to the left. So maybe we can go in order. Whoa. Maybe we can go in order. That way it will make it easier. This is a clone, as well as the one below it, which is a clone of this app, which is a modified app that I modified. So it's not mine, it's modified, but it qualifies to go on this page because these are modified. Now, the only thing is really odd about this, it's because it's a QQ company or WeChat company, WhatsApp online stickers like the major, the all, the head of the heads of the heads of the WhatsApp, their sticker apps are not like just downloads this sticker app by emoji fun tech whatever blah 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 blah. development. No, they are fully online. So now this app, I just happened to well, let's start that over again. The icon doesn't look like this. Okay, so let's just put that second. So this is the second app that we're going over. The icon, because this is Android 10 that I'm using, I believe it's 10. Let me double check. Wait. No, it could be 9. I could be wrong. Let me double check. No, it's 10. Yeah, this is Android 10. So a lot of things that I usually have built or been able to try to, work with are from like earlier versions of Android, more like 7, 8, 7, more like 7, more just nougat, basically. So a lot of the apps that I've worked with were in nougat, but some of the apps that I built from scratch with the help of the app builder the OS was never disclosed to me, so I didn't really know. And I apparently, because some of them are split APKs, they have to be obviously Pi or up. So Q, Pi, Q, X, 10, X, 11, and now 11. I don't have any apps for 11, but anyways, it's good that I use this phone this is like a beta testing device. I don't like it as a cell phone for a personal device, but I have to use it for whatever. So I'm just rambling. So anyways, so when you open it, I want to show you how the app opens supposed to. So what I'm going to do is just close all the apps and make sure it opens from scratch. So that was the splash screen, and what I did was I modified these images up here. These are my images, but it has fully online downloadable libraries, and you can download them for free, but it is categorized, and it's, trending, emotions, Chinese, anime, Hong Kong, phrases, cats, celebrities, Espanol, English, Pepe, YouTubers. So let's see what's in the YouTubers category. So, you can scroll. It's online. So because it's WhatsApps, because like the people that hide behind the curtain of quote unquote WhatsApp that steal everybody's stickers, they basically just make them available to everybody and claim that you have to make sure you don't use other people's stickers. Well, that's what they're doing, is stealing everyone's stickers through the metadata that they leave in your device. So I'm going to make all these stickers available for free for everybody, because they're obviously free in sticker packs, and they're obviously free in Giphy and Cliffy and Lizard and Big Red Dog and so let's go with what looks interesting. None of those, but the people stickers are usually kind of stupid. So let's see. Now these are like Asians bagging on dark people. If I'm correct, these look like they might be people of let's check out the YouTubers. So here is how I modify the app. So basically, because you see this Christmas decoration on the edge, this is for like if it was a seasonal special and you would be able to get extra stuff. Well, somehow, I don't know what I did. Anyways, I'm able to download for free the packs. I can export it to WhatsApp. I don't really want to, so I save it as a library. Now, because this app is still in development, like the Telegram, Snapchat, keyboard, clipboard are not, if you notice, they have an animated keyboard feature. So this is like WhatsApp's international version of their online, just general stickers, WhatsApp stickers, basically. So I'm going to export it to the library, and then I'll show you where it is. So because you're thinking, oh, it's going to save in my pictures folder. No. So it was saved to my library. So if I go and I just get out of the app and I just hit the center button, just get out of the app. Now I'm thinking, okay, where would I find this? So I have a file manager that I use, which is this on the bottom. Let's just go back to the page that we were on. So this is a page that we're working on. I go to File Manager, and I go to Images, and this will tell me, because the way that it's sorted, to view by date with the arrow down, and to show the hidden files, it will show me the very last image, be it a screenshot, be it etc. And now I can see some images that are not on my SD card, that don't have the little black icon, that I can want to move. For example, my Telegram images. For example, this sticker pack. But I'm going to show you a little trick what I do. So I know where the sticker pack is, but if I click on it, there it's going to show you the images that we can barely fucking see. It looks like silhouettes. So where they are is, say if you go to any file manager, let's use Samsung's default file manager, and this is for practical purposes. The keyboard that you are seeing on the screen is this keyboard right here called Smart Photo Keyboard. It is a keyboard app that I made that you can fully customize and is functional. Now, whether Google collects your data, I'm not 100% sure. I have to read up on that policy because this app is not released. I just am using it for beta. But it's fun, and I had sounds attached to it. But the sound factor, because it's unstable, is I can't release it with the sound, and also you have to get permissions for certain audio. So what I was looking for is File Manager for Samsung. So just like in case you don't have a special file manager and you just want to go to your files, you can also find it this way. This is like an average, any file manager basic will look like this. You go to your internal storage and you got all these yellow folders. Well, you guys, I found the magic app recently, 2 apps actually, and they're both for Android, but I stumbled across them accidentally. They're not in Play Store. I've never, ever seen them in Play Store, but I found them in Play Store, which is the weird part because I don't know how I was able to find them. So anyways, so that name of that app was, if I minimize, right? It was called New Stickers Now. That's the app. That's what we just downloaded, right, in the images. But I want to see it in my folders. So I go to my minimize button, scroll back to my folders. We were in my files. Then I'm going to go to stickers. Whoops, stickers now. It's not there. It should be in stickers now. Now stickers, but the app is slightly, the name is different a little bit. So it will be in Okay, so there's two folders. There's one called Sticker Now, and then one called Sticker Now Photos. So because the app is called Sticker Now, it's in there. So if I open it, right? Now, if you see these other folders, it says Deluxe, Deluxe, Deluxe. These are compressed folders. They're actually, these aren't compressed, but I have them compressed on the bottom. These bottom four, this one, this one, this one, those are compressed versions of these up here. Because these are the expanded versions and these are the compressed versions. So how we know where the stickers that we just downloaded are without having to go to the gallery and trying to hunt for the picture, you just go to your internal storage to the app called Sticker Now, and it's going to be this crazy one on top with the numbers. And then you can just rename it. That's what I do. So let me arrow back because it's wanting to, whoops. I just have to do that. Samsung is real tricky. So I work with Samsung devices. I'm sorry, you guys, for anybody that don't use Samsung. These live streams probably apply to more Android users that use Samsung or similar type Android devices. So there's all the stickers we just downloaded. So let's look at them. What do they look like? Now, I have options to preview them in many different formats. I could preview in my gallery, let's preview it in my Smart Dock scanner. And that way I could even save it if I wanted to. Whoops. Okay, so there are the stickers right there. So these are them. Let's just, do I want to look in maybe I don't want to look in the Smart Dock scanner. I'm just going to use the default preview of DU Recorder, good old DU Recorder. Okay, so they are some crazy Asian dark photos, 18 pictures. So let's see what they are. Boxers. Who they are, who their names are, I don't know. But I can scan it just like that. Save. So then I go to we'll start at the top. And I'll do it with Smart Dock Scanner, which I started to. I'll just take a picture of it, save it. But really, I want to put those all in one scan. You know what I'm saying? That would be ideal. So let's add to it. Let's save as a PDF. Okay, so we're going to call this crazy ethnocentric fights. Crazy bum fights. Even though they're not bums, we'll just call it that for fun. Crazy bum fights. Okay, so now if I want to add to that, okay, so let's add to it. Let's import pages. So let's import pages. So now I can import this sticker. I can import this one, 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 this one. So do you get my point where I'm going with this? We can create a whole new sticker pack collection with scanning this into the OCR document. So all you have to do is hit the check mark to select it. Save. And because they're all about the same size, sometimes you'll get a little weird error and you'll have to resize it. But for the most part, you can just hit scan and it'll automatically find the appropriate crop. That's a little crooked. Oh well. I don't even know who these boxers are. It looks a little presumptuous to me. Need some more. So whoever are fans of boxers, they probably will like these stupid packs. But anyways, I'll show you what it looks like after we're done with that. Sorry for that sound. Wow. I don't even know who these boxers are. I don't really follow boxing, even though I prefer it out of most men's sports besides basketball. I don't like football or baseball, really. Oh, I don't follow it. I mean, I kind of like it, but not really. So I think that's it. We got 14 out of 19, 17, 15 out of 19. I thought we got all this. This is gay. What the fuck is this bullshit? Oh my god, ew. Okay, you guys. I think I'm done. Okay. So there you go. So in this pack, we have a bunch of scans, right? And that was just a sticker pack. And then how we made that was from this download. And where was that download? Those download came from the sticker pack app called New Super Stickers. This one right here where my icon is missing. So let's download another pack. YouTubers suck. Let's find one in what category do we want to pick? Videogram? Kirby Simple, Line Brawl, Kirby Reacts Borderlands. Let's see this WhatsApp one. WhatsApp. Stickers EP1. Well, these are made by the one and only. Something went wrong. Oh, I'm sorry, your ad. Okay, well, let's add them to WhatsApp. They want me to rate it. Okay, let's download another silly one. Switch. This is a video games category. And then what I'll do is show you, I forgot, we're going to skip opening the sticker pack. I'm going to show you how I compress the sticker pack and then I upload it so you guys can download it for free from the website. Show you the exact process. So there's the new pack right there that we just downloaded right there. So I know where it is in the screenshot. I mean, in my file manager, but I'm looking at my Telegram images, and I want to, in fact, I think I want to, there's 125 images, but I want to know, they're not mine. I want to see if I need to get rid of these, because they have one of my personal photos in it, which is this one. I'm gonna move that to my main storage. I put it in my DCIM. I put it in video capture, which is like just where I have my personal pictures. Like that's a picture I took. I have to constantly move my photos around. Like, yeah. So I'm just going to stop talking now because I've been talking for a lot. Watch and learn, my friends. Why can't I compress it? Okay, where is this? So, you see how it takes a while to, let's see if I can put it in WhatsApp. It takes a while to, like, go through the process and, like, configure everything. And I'm getting this error message, as you can see, operation failed, whatever that means. So if I go to the plus, so it has like my personal pictures in, this is how you know they steal you, because it has my personal gallery within the app, right? This is an online app, mind you. So even though it says you can download, okay, so let's try to make some stickers in it. And I'll show you what happens. So let's make a new pack. We'll call it Frumpy Lump. Okay, we'll save the pack. And just crash, open again. So I go to my stickers, what's highlighted now, and there's a sticker pack that we just made, Frumpy Lump. So I click on it, and then let's add some stickers. So basically, like I said, it has all my... Now, did it ask for permissions? Yes, because I already had loaded the app. So what I'll do is I'll uninstall it, and then I'll show you what it's like from scratch. So let's just add this sticker right here. So I'm just going to free cut it. Well, let's uninstall it. We're just going to uninstall it. Okay. And I'm going to reinstall it. And I have multiple versions. Like, that's one thing. When you're working on an app, you're going to have many versions of it initially before you get it, like exactly how you want it. So I have it backed up somewhere. Let me see where. It should be in my backups of the main storage, but maybe not. So there's a new app that I found. I think it's called My Computer, and it's not like Microsoft Launcher. It doesn't launch like Windows 10. It just launches like a computer, and it helps you visualize your files. You get to see the actual images within the folders, and I'll get to that in a minute. I have to get rid of the empty folders. Because I don't have it set. I don't have it set to go by alphabetical. I have it set to go by date. So right now I'm going to change it to view by name. I have to reverse the name to arrow up if you want to do it from ABC. Okay, so there's the backups. So it should be in there. And if you will see the icon, but it's not showing up. So there it is right there. But technically, I have a copy of it on my Google Drive. So let's see how this is. I want it with the icon. I don't know why it's not accepting it. Probably because it's modified app. But I also have it installed on New Sticker Clone. So I want to see if it opens in the clone version. Even though I uninstalled it. Now, think about this. This is a clone version. I uninstalled the app. And now I'm trying to run it. Because technically, when you make a clone, it creates its own virtual space for the emulated copy. But it's not looking too hopeful. That's fine. What I will do is not waste my time and just delete it. And it's showing supercon, not the shortcut. So I will have to go to and then just press on it and trash it. Delete. Ba-bam. Now that way I can see my drives faster than having to log in and out. Let's see if they work.
Whoa, Julie, are those the shoes you've been wanting for months?
Unfortunately, yes, with that app, there are ads. There are ads with SuperClone, but it's the one app that it can't clone like very sophisticated high-end apps like Parallel Space or App Cloner. It can't do that, but it could clone your basic apps like your messenger apps, your social apps. It can do it just fine. So here's my drive, guys. I have a clone of my drive. Now, don't get me wrong. Google knows that it's a clone. It's not like you can get double the 15 gigs of space. I just wanted to see if there's a version of New Sticker Now on here that I can install better with the icon. I have my photo editor app. Okay. Let's see what's on here. Apk tablet. I want to install that. Where's my package installer? Okay, so it's in the clone, it won't let me package install. That's interesting. So if I go to my regular Google Drive that's not the clone, it will find the package installer. Watch. I have to sure it's on the right drive. Okay. Huh. Let me sure this is the right drive. So what folder is this? This is apps, backups, Apk tablet. Huh. That's interesting. I don't know. Here it is. Apps. No. No. Do you see my point? I'm trying to see. I thought it was this account, but it should say it was apps and then it says APK tablet. Huh. This is not the drive, so let me go back to that. Because that's showing me a different drive. Now, if that's the case, then that means... Oh no, this is which drive? This is... See, it's not Mia Max. It says D something. It keeps quitting out. So right there, it says Mia Max, right? Which is the same drive as this one right here. This is the regular Google Drive. It's the same account. This red star is the same account as Mia Max. But in the cloned version, it's opening up a different drive. We'll see right now. Oh, it's in Barbie. That's why. It's Barbie tech. So it's probably not. That's a different account. So what I just learned is do not use SuperClone for Google Drive. Let's trash that. Trash that. Because it's not... Well, let me open this drive. And let me see if it's going to be the same drive that it's supposed to be. I don't know if that was just that one particular drive or if that applies to every single clone of a Google Drive. It has a share, a YouTube share. What drive is this? See how it crashed? maybe it is like its own virtual version with its own space. I know I have shared stuff on that drive. Oh, it is Star Glitter. But now it's switched to Twerp, which is for rooted. I'm going to remove because it's shared. File removed. There is no collaborator. So what I will do is now delete that account because saying there's a collaborator, and that's not so. So I'm just going to trash them all. I'm not even going to bother opening them. That way it will save me probably secure my files. Superclone, I have to warn you, it's for the people that don't care about security, but you just want to like go, make apps, modify apps, build, whatever, and not really concerned about security, but able to just like clone away. You probably want to use a better app, which I recommend is App Cloner. And App Cloner actually, Play Store does let you use certain apps, APIs. You can get APIs for cloned apps if they're legitly cloned. And App Cloner has a lot of customization settings that you have to go through. I have it right here. That's how I cloned Samsung Notes. So recently cloned apps. Drive, Samsung Notes, and Superclone. I even cloned Superclone. And a cool thing that I did, because I don't want my calendar public, is I cloned the calendar, Samsung calendar, and made my own calendar app, which is this one. Oh, it's already on that page, sorry. So we'll just go back to that page where we started with the apps. So we got rid of Superclone, now we're here. We've seen that one. This one is a Google Calendar that I cloned, but it doesn't sync to my, it uses the Gmail account that I'm currently signed into, but you get the sync error because it's a clone. But the great thing is I can still see my notes in it. So like yesterday and then Wednesday I had a bunch of stuff that I wrote down. So it saves it, right? And it saves it to your device, so you don't have to worry about any cloud syncing or any of that bullshit. You can just have your notes on your device and you can back up to your device. So like for example in the settings, it's gonna even though it's not syncing, it's still gonna save. It uses your storage space, even though so let me turn off sync. And for me, I like to make that a regular habit to turn off sync and then sync it only certain times. But if you're the kind of person that has to have all of your notifications, every single message immediately, then turning off sync is probably not the best idea. So this app is called Direct Schedule, and you can see it by day. You can see it by this. I hate these graphics. Ooh. But the cool thing is it still has saved my notes. So like I still have notes in there from whatever, but I haven't been able to tweak the APK enough to be able to change these stock photos, but I'm not be able to. Actually, let's try it. So what I will do is I will make a backup of this app called Deluxe Schedule. So I'll go into my file manager and I'll go to apps and I'll find the app called Schedule. My schedule. Deluxe Schedule. There's the app, so I'm going to click on it. I'm going to back it up. Okay, and then I'm going to go to, this is grayed out because we uninstalled it. I'm going to go to my Apk Editor app if I can find it. Oh. I don't see it. I might have uninstalled it. I think I had a panic attack and uninstalled it. So let me see if I have it in backup. Nope. I can look in Drive. I know I have a version somewhere. That's not the app I'm looking for. I just happened to wanted to, as I'm browsing for it, I'm looking for the Apk Editor. There we go. And then there's another app I want to install. This app right here. It's 4K HD camera app that I modified. I want to see if it works. It says that it's 4K. And it says failed to save the photo, huh? That can't be possible if the photo's right there. Let's see if it opens up in Google Photos. Okay, there's the app. With the messed up. See, I have two versions of it, but this one's working, the other one's not working. So the fact that this one's working is good. This is a mod. It's not my app. It's a mod. Anyways, that's not important. Okay, so the other app is what I want is this one. Okay. I'm just gonna put well, I was gonna put this. So what I wanted to do is try to modify this app right here with those ugly stock images. How I would do that. There's a newer version of this, by the way. It's really hard because this is a USB-C port, and most OTG drives are USB-B, and I have a hard time locating on mine a USB-C OTG drive. So let's see. And it gives me an option. Do I want to do a full edit, a resource rebuild, simple edit, common edit, XML file? The XML edit never works unless you really are a programmer and you know what you're doing. And I highly doubt any super, well, I'll just be quiet. Anyways, so how I would go about it is like this. But most likely the images are not going to be there. It depends. It depends. Sometimes they are, sometimes they're not. Like, for example, here. So where would they be? Now, usually, there's a res folder, and that's where the pictures are. So here's my opportunity to make it like my own. And I will just replace all these. You see the colored backgrounds? Those are the ones that I don't like. I want to see something coolio up in there. Google, I don't know how Google allowed me to do this, and it's not even an X8. I'm sorry, it's not even an XAPK file. It's not a split installer. It's really weird. I mean, even with like sticker maker apps, like the shittiest ones, I have a hard time modifying the APK file. I either have to do a full resource build or a partial resource build or use some GitHub repo patch samples to help, because it's very, very hard to modify the parts. But right here, they're making it too easy for me right now. So let's start with a JPEG. So we know that, like, if I was to extract it, I would be able to see the exact file size. So let me extract one, and then there you go. It will tell me the file size. So here I want to do is I want to replace it But I want to know the file size first. So I was told if you long click, I can't just select any JPEG. It looks like it's 500 by 500, but it could be 1920. It could be like 1745 by 631, because of the fact that in the actual app, if you notice, the width of the images are, do you see how they're like that? But let's just try it with some regular old, let's see, what are they? Are they PNGs? They're JPEGs. So I'm going to pick the ones that I have that are easy to access. So the ones that I have easier to access are what's in, we would call, I think it is it China words? No, those are WebPs. We need PNGs. So I would have to go to my SD card, which I don't know if it will let me. Yeah, it will. So it's allowing me to access my SD card. Where did I put some JPEGs? Well, these are ugly as hell JPEGs, but they're a lot better looking than those, so let's just use those for now. Even though I don't want to, they look stupid. Let's see, what can I pick? So there's probably 12, considering the 12 months of the year. So let's pick that weird one. Let's pick something purple. Pick something. Oh, I got some. I got some. Oh, I can't use those? Wait a minute. No, those are JPEGs. I can use them. Yep. Sure can. Some of them are WebPs. Some of them are PNGs. I forgot. This library is the entire InShot library. Now, unfortunately, I will have to uninstall my current app, and it's not going to save my already dated calendar stuff, if you know what I'm saying, because it's not going to sync to my Google Drive because it's not a legitimate Samsung account. I'm pretty sure about that. So let's see how it turned out. See if any of the images even show up. It's trying to open now. So let's close that. Let's close that. Close that. Oh, it isn't responding. Let's see if it'll install. Probably not. I guess it won't open. Probably because the images aren't fit to size. But it didn't get any errors in the build, so technically it should open. But I forgot. Storage. Clear data. Doesn't want to open. But let me back it up and try to install it on another device. First, let me move the backup somewhere else. Oh, I already just backed up over it. Great. Trying to find the original version of it. Okay, there's the stickers from what is it called? Something deluxe. Here's the original. Oh, I didn't even back it up. Wow. Well, let's see. Oh. Here it is. I did extract it. Now hold on. Let's try it again. Why does it say release? This is not a release. Google probably doesn't like me messing with their app. Doesn't ever stop me before. Still not working. Oh, come on. Why do you guys gotta be like that?
I'll be back.